In my previous lecture, I have explained you some of the questions related to double derivative, and I have explained you how to differentiate a function which is of the form of parametric form, and I have told you about first order derivative of parametric form. Now, as I have told you that today I will explain you double derivative of the function which are of the parametric form, when x is of the form of ft and y is of the form of ft, phi t or gt, you can take any other name. Then how to find d2y over dx square, that is very much required. Sometimes functions may be given to you, sometimes you have to assume those functions as per the situation of the given expression. Now, how to differentiate? First of all, differentiate x with respect to t. Here x is dependent variable, t is independent variable. It gives you something like d by dt ft. Similarly, here y is dependent variable, t is independent, so differentiate y with respect to t, and it is d by dt of gt. Up to this step you all know, and dy by dx will be dy by dt upon dx by dt. Up to this step we have done lots of questions previously. Now dy by dt is d by dt of gt, and dx by dt is d by dt of ft. But what we found in many of the solutions, usually जब बच्चे बोर्ड्स में भी करते हैं तो बहुत गलती कर देते हैं. जब फर्स्ट ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव कर देंगे तब तो ठीक करेंगे, बट जब वो सेकेंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव करते हैं, what they do, they simply differentiate it with respect to x. But see, this function which is gt is differentiated with respect to t. This function ft is also differentiated to t. So whatever the result will come, it will be of the form of t. Let us give it a name, phi t. Whatever the result is there, result will not be of the form of x or y, but it will of the form of t. So you cannot differentiate it with respect to x. So, but ultimately, what is the requirement? We need to find d2y over dx square, that is d by dx of dy by dx. But dy by dx is of the form of phi t. So d by dx inside will be phi t. Clear? So now the function is of the form of t, but we need to differentiate it with respect to dx. I have told you in the beginning, whenever we have such situation, it comes under which form? Composite form. So let us multiply this by dt and divide it by this dt. Replace dx by dt. So you will have d upon dt phi t into dt by dx. So finally we have phi dash t, that is derivative of phi t with respect to t, into dt by dx. See, here we have just found in the beginning dx by dt, but what we need? Dt by dx, but doesn't matter, you can write it here 1 upon dx by dt. So finally you can write phi dash t into 1 upon dx by dt, that is 1 upon d by dt of ft. Now see, the result is of the form of t only. याद रखेंगे, जब भी आपका डबल डेरिवेटिव आएगा वो उसी इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल की फॉर्म में आएगा जिस इंडिपेंडेंट की फॉर्म में x और y गिवन हो. ये इसका बेसिक कंसेप्ट है, ये इसकी थ्योरी है, ये आपको बहुत अच्छे से आनी चाहिए. इसके बाद मैं आप लोगों को एक दो क्वेश्चंस भी बताऊंगा, क्योंकि बहुत बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है ये। चलिए दो तीन जनरल एग्जांपल लेते हैं। लाइक इफ y is equal to 280 and x is equal to 80 स्क्वायर। सपोज करो ये सिचुएशन है, वी नीड टू फाइंड d2y और dx स्क्वायर। बट बिफोर दैट प्लीज टेल मी, अगर ये कोऑर्डिनेट आपको पैरामीट्रिक फॉर्म में दिए हुए हैं तो क्या आप बता सकते हैं ये कौन से कर्व के पैरामीट्रिक फॉर्म है? डू यू नो? यू मस्ट नो, आई हैव टोल्ड यू। ओके, कोई बात नहीं, आप अपनी बुक में से देखें। नॉट रिक्वायर्ड, दैट इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड राइट नाउ, बट लेट मी टेल यू हाउ टू फाइंड डबल डेरिवेटिव ऑफ दिस सिचुएशन। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, dy by dt is equal to 2a when you differentiate y with respect to t, and secondly dx by dt is equal to 2at, that is first order derivative. So we have to differentiate y with respect to t and x with respect to t. Up to this step we all know very well, but in very next step we need to find dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. dy by dt is 2a, dx by dt is 2at. After cancellation it gives you 1 upon t. Up to this step is related to the exercise which I have explained you, derivative of a function which is of the form of parametric form. But here we need to find double derivative. Double derivative means d2y over dx square, that is d by dx of dy by dx. But see here we have got dy by dx. dy by dx is 1 upon t. So this function is of the form of variable t and we have to differentiate it with respect to x. We cannot do it. So to perform this activity, let us multiply and divide the expression by dt and then replace dx by dt. So it will become d upon dt of 1 upon t into dt by dx. Now we all know derivative of 1 upon t will be minus 1 upon t square. But here we need dt by dx and here we have got dx by dt. So if we take reciprocal of this, it will become dt by dx and that will be 1 upon 2at. So चाहे तो आप यहाँ पे रेसिप्रोकल कर लें, चाहे आप वहीं पे रेसिप्रोकल कर लें. So here we need to put dt by dx, that is 1 upon 2at, and when we solve it, it gives you 1 upon 2at cube. So this is second order derivative of y with respect to x, but x and y both are in the form of some other variable t. That is called double derivative of a function which is of the form of parametric form. After that we will discuss few of the questions. ऐसे questions जो बोर्ड्स में काफ़ी आए हुए questions हैं, उन्हें हम डिस्कस करते हैं. आई थिंक कंसेप्ट आपको समझ में आ गया होगा, लेकिन उन क्वेश्चंस को करेंगे तो और अच्छे से चीज़ें क्लियर हो जाएंगी. ये क्वेश्चन 2011 में आया था. फाइंड d2y और dx स्क्वायर इफ x इज इक्वल टू a, थीटा माइनस साइन थीटा, एंड y इज इक्वल टू a 1 माइनस कोस थीटा. वन प्लस कोस थीटा. फाइंड d2y over dx square. Now to find d2y over dx square, first of all we need to find dy by dx, and dy by dx is dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. I have told you in the beginning. यहाँ मैं थोड़ा डायरेक्टली कर रहा हूँ. तो dy by d theta means d by d theta of y. Y is a 1 plus cos theta, and d by d theta of x, that is a theta minus sin theta. So by this way we will find first order derivative dy by dx. d by d theta of a will be 0, d by d theta of cos theta will be minus sin theta. So it is minus a sin theta upon a, derivative of theta will be 1 and derivative of sin theta will be cos theta. After cancellation it gives you minus sin theta upon 1 minus cos थीटा. तो बच्चों ये हमारा फर्स्ट ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव आ गया. अब चाहे तो आप इसे एज इट इज छोड़ें अगर आप कंफर्टेबल है साइन थीटा कोस थीटा में, लेकिन अगर आप इसे थोड़ा सा सॉल्व कर लें तो इट विल गिव्स यू लिटिल इजियर सिचुएशन. व्हाट टाइप ऑफ सिचुएशन? अब यहाँ ट्रिग्नोमेट्री यूज करते हैं. साइन थीटा की जगह अगर हम 2 साइन थीटा बाई 2 इंटू कोस थीटा बाई 2 यूज कर लें अपॉन 1 माइनस कोस थीटा. आपको बता रखा है कोस थीटा का थीटा बाई 2 वाला फॉर्मूला, इसमें हम यूज कर सकते हैं 1 माइनस 2 साइन स्क्वायर थीटा बाई 2. सो 1 विल कैंसिल विद 1 एंड माइनस विल मेक इट पॉजिटिव एंड इट विल बिकम 2 साइन स्क्वायर थीटा बाई 2. यू ऑल नो ट्रिग्नोमेट्री, हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस टाइप ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन. बहुत सारे ऐसे क्वेश्चंस किए हैं तो इसलिए मैंने थोड़ा डायरेक्टली बता दिया, आप अपने आप कर लोगे. एंड साइन थीटा बाई 2 विल कैंसिल विद इट्स square and it gives you cos theta by 2 upon sin theta by 2, that is minus cot theta by 2. इससे थोड़ा सा एक्सप्रेशन आसान हो गया. Now it will be slightly easy for us to find its double derivative. Now we have got dy by dx is equal to minus cot theta by 2. To make its double derivative we need to differentiate it again dy dx. So we have to differentiate this also dy dx. Okay, and this is of the form of theta, this is of the form of x. You cannot differentiate theta with respect to x. So to sort out that situation, let us multiply and divide it by theta both side, and let us replace dx by d theta. Then what will be the change? D upon d theta of minus cot theta by 2 along with d theta upon dx. D theta upon dx. So now differentiate it. You all know what is the derivative of cot theta. Derivative of cot theta is minus cosec square theta. So minus and minus cosec square theta by 2. When you go inside, it will gives you theta by 2 and derivative of theta by 2 will be half into d theta by dx. Here we have got dx by d theta. Just see, here we have got dx by d theta. Here we need d theta by dx. Means we need the reciprocal of its derivative. What was its derivative? I am putting star here. This is dx by d theta before solution. Now what we need? D theta by dx. So reciprocal of that will be what? 1 upon a 1 minus cos theta. So you will get this kind of situation, and then you all know how to solve. This will cancel with this minus sign. Cosec square theta by 2 upon 2a. Now 1 minus cos theta, just like this. What I have used? 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2, and after solving this, it gives you 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. So put here 2 sin square theta by 2. You all know 1 upon sin is also cosec. So you will get the result 1 upon 4a cosec raised to the power 4 theta by 2. ये इसका रिजल्ट आ जाएगा d2y over dx square. This will be the result of this. So this way you can find various second order derivatives of functions which are of the form of parametric form. ये क्वेश्चन कई बार एग्जाम में आया हुआ है, बोर्ड्स में कई बार आया है, 2011 में ही आया था, तो आप लोगों को अच्छे से इस क्वेश्चन को करना है. लेट मी एक्सप्लेन यू वन मोर क्वेश्चन which is very important, and it was there in board examination in 2012 and in 2013. This was in 11 and next question is 12 and 13. तो frequently हर साल एक आध क्वेश्चन इसमें से आ जाता है. तो ये वाला क्वेश्चन मैं आपको और बता रहा हूँ, उसके बाद आप लोगों को एक्सरसाइज के क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस करने हैं और उनकी जो प्रॉब्लम होगी दैट आई विल टेक इन वेरी नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज इफ x इज इक्वल टू a, x इज इक्वल टू a cos t प्लस log 10t by 2, cos t प्लस log 10t by 2. आप देखेंगे लोग जहां भी लिखा होगा वहां मॉडुलस लगा दिया जाता है. ये ट्रेडिशन है. रीजन क्या है कि log इज डिफाइंड फॉर पॉजिटिव वैल्यूज ओनली, सो इट डजंट मैटर वेदर इट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ मॉडुलस और इट इज डायरेक्टली. विदाउट मॉडुलस भी अगर ये है या अगर मॉडुलस है भी तो भी आप इसका मॉडुलस रिमूव कर सकते हैं अपने आप से, बिकॉज मॉडुलस इज जस्ट फॉर नेम से. एंड y इज इक्वल टू साइन t. Now we need to find d2y over dx square. Along with that, it is given to you that t is less than pi by 2 and greater than 0. That is, it belongs to first quadrant. You know why it is given to you? Because otherwise 10 will make negative values and log is not defined for negative values. So that is very important. Whenever it is given to you that t is belongs to such and such quadrant, it is just for to define the function. You cannot take the function which is not defined. So to find its double derivative, first of all we need to differentiate x. Now what is the derivative of x? Dx by dt. A derivative of cos t is minus sin t plus log 10t by 2. Derivative of log something is 1 upon that thing. So 1 upon 10 t by 2. When you go inside, you will get 10t by 2, and derivative of 10t by 2 is sec square t by 2. When you go inside, derivative of t by 2 will be half. And dy by dt, y was sin t, so dy by dt is equal to, very easy, that derivative of sin t is cos t. So straight away let us write, if it is a sin t, in question it is a sin t, so dy by dt is a cos t. Second part is quite easy. Now let us solve it little bit. A minus sin t, इसमें ट्रिग्नोमेट्री ज्यादा है. 1 अपॉन, यू नो सेक को क्या लिख सकते हैं हम? 1 अपॉन कोस स्क्वायर टी बाई 2. एंड 10 को क्या लिख सकते हैं? साइन टी बाई 2 इंटू कोस टी बाई 2. सो इट गिव्स यू 2 साइन टी बाई 2 इंटू कोस टी बाई 2. You can solve this trigonometric expression, you will get the result. 2 sin theta cos theta is what? 1 upon sin t. Take LCM, it gives you a minus sin square t plus 1 upon sin t is equal to a. 1 minus sin square t is cos square t upon sin t. So we have got the situation in very simplest form. Now let us take dy by dx. It gives you dy by dt upon dx by dt. dy by dt we have just found a cos t, and dx by dt is this one, a cos square t in upon sin t. Upon will move up to numerator. So a will cancel, cos will cancel, it gives you sin t upon cos t, that is tan t. So finally we have got dy by dx is equal to tan t. We need to find d2y over dx square. That is d by dx of tan t. You know, you cannot differentiate t with respect to x. You have to multiply it by t and divide it by t, or you can use directly chain rule. Just hide inside function t. Derivative of tan t is sec square t. Along with that you have to put dt by dx. अब dt by dx, dx by dt निकाल रखा है आपने tan t, तो dt by dx इसका रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा, तो sec स्क्वायर t इंटू इसका रेसिप्रोकल 1 अपॉन tan t. So your answer will be sec स्क्वायर t अपॉन tan t. तो इस तरह से आप लोग इसको सॉल्व कर सकते हैं बच्चों, इसको आसानी से आप निकाल सकते हैं. इसमें आप देख लेंगे कि कहीं पे कुछ चीज़ छूट तो नहीं गई या कुछ रह तो नहीं गई, तो इट इज़ क्वाइट इजी. आई थिंक dy by dt something like it is containing a also, but it's okay. You must know dy by dx is this, so d2y over dx square is equal to this one. Yes, I forgot, a cos square t upon sin t. A I missed here, so you have to write a also along with that. dt by dx is this one, sec square t is equal to sec square t into reciprocal of this, that is that is sin t upon a cos square t. So आप इस तरह से इसका डबल डेरिवेटिव निकाल सकते हैं. आप चेक कर लेंगे इसमें कैलकुलेशंस को, एंड यू विल गेट द रिजल्ट. दैट इज 1 अपॉन, जब इसे सॉल्व करेंगे तो सेक नीचे आ जाएगा, तो ये भी सेक बन जाएगा, तो इट गिव्स यू 1 अपॉन सेक क्यूब टी टी टी.